The rapid advance of technology is akin to a tsunami wave, powerful, transformative, and unstoppable. As we stand on the brink of 2024, it's clear that the tech tsunami is reshaping our world in ways beyond our wildest imagination. Here are the top 10 tech trends that will redefine our lives in the near future. Fail to ride this wave and you might just find yourself left behind. Number 1. Artificial intelligence, AI more human than ever. AI continues to evolve, moving beyond mere automation and into the realm of human-like intelligence. The rise of AI that can understand, learn, predict, and potentially even function autonomously is a game changer. If you aren't already leveraging AI, it's high time you did. Number 2. 5G, the high-speed revolution. 5G is about to redefine connectivity, offering speeds that dwarf its predecessors and open up new possibilities for real-time applications and seamless remote experiences. From telemedicine to remote work, 5G is set to revolutionize our world. Number 3. Extended reality, XR, a new way to experience the world. Extended reality, XR, encompassing virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR, is taking immersive experiences to new heights. Be it gaming, training, or even remote tourism, XR is poised to reshape our interaction with the digital world. Number 4. Internet of Things, IoT, a connected universe. The Internet of Things continues to expand, connecting everyday devices and systems to the Internet to gather, communicate, and analyze data. With the rise of smart homes and cities, IoT is no longer a luxury but a necessity. Number 5. Cybersecurity, a digital battleground. As our reliance on digital environments grows, so does the threat of cyber attacks. Cybersecurity is no longer an afterthought but an integral part of any tech development. Neglect it at your peril. Number 6. Quantum computing, leaps and bounds ahead. Quantum computing, with its potential to solve complex problems exponentially faster than classical computers, is on the horizon. Prepare to witness a computational revolution. Number 7. Blockchain, trust in transparency. Blockchain's decentralized and transparent nature is steadily gaining traction, from cryptocurrencies to supply chain management. Embrace the transparency or risk being left in the dark. Number 8. Edge computing, bring data closer. As data generation skyrockets, edge computing, processing data close to where it is generated, is becoming key for businesses to achieve faster insights and better network performance. It's time to bring your data closer. Number 9. Personalized and predictive medicine, tailored healthcare. With advances in AI and genomics, healthcare is becoming highly personalized and predictive. From tailored treatments to early detection of diseases, personalized medicine is setting a new standard for healthcare. Number 10. Green tech, sustainability meets innovation. Amid growing concerns about climate change, green tech is emerging as a crucial trend. Innovations aimed at reducing environmental impact are not just good for the planet, they're becoming good for business too. In conclusion, the technology tide is turning, and it's bringing a wave of innovation that's impossible to ignore. These trends will shape our world in ways we are only beginning to understand. Don't resist the tide, instead, embrace these changes. The future belongs to those who leverage these tech trends to their advantage. Are you ready to ride the wave? So, it's important to stay updated and adapt to these tech trends to ensure survival in the fast-paced world of technology. Keep learning, experimenting, and staying curious about the latest developments. The only constant in this ever-changing landscape is change itself. Embrace it, and you might just find yourself riding the wave towards a brighter future. With that said, let's welcome 2024 with open arms and a tech-savvy mindset. The future is now. Are you ready for it? So, start preparing yourself today, because in the world of technology, there's no turning back. Let's embrace these tech trends and ride the wave into a more connected, efficient, and innovative future.